I know you are. We can be as strong as we want to, but you are tired. You didn't spend 20, 30 years building a healthcare business to become a slave to it. You built it to impact financial security and eventually freedom. That's why you built this. Because healthcare business owners, you want to scale your business and you need to do this through AI agents. You don't need to be doing all of these other things, for example. You need operational transformation that lets you scale without adding complexity, grow without adding grinding hours, lead without being trapped in the day-to-day operation chaos. You need AI agents that can handle operations, burdens to help your staff, or even you can focus on patient care, and you can focus on building the vision that made you start this business in the first place without working yourself to an early grave. Let's be honest, if we keep working so hard like this, we want to extend our life, we want longevity. So I'm your complete transformational partnership. I've developed something completely different from healthcare business coaches. I want to help business owners running a substantial operation. I want to help you to complete your healthcare operation with our AI transformation partnership, but focuses on implementation, not just analysis. I can implement these AI agents, and my team can, but they've got to be used. And we can also train your team how to use them and work with you until everything is running as it's meant to be. So here's what makes this different than the traditional consulting, including the big firms like McKinsey that, big organizations have hired, like me before, for example, using organizations like McKinsey. Most consultants will analyze your operations, identify your inefficiencies, and give you a comprehensive report with strategic recommendations. That's valuable, but it's not transformable till you implement them. But you need someone to help guide you to implement those systems, those AI agents into your organization. You don't want a report because that means that's putting pressure on you again as the CEO to implement it out to your team. You need to have a strategic, lean team that can work with AI and that can implement the systems. So transformation, it happens when you implement actual working systems, when you build your organization with AI agents that handle your patient scheduling, for example, service user scheduling in real time, when you deploy compliance monitoring that works 24/7, when you create staff management systems that actually optimize your 200 plus person operation, that's what I do different. So just going to talk to you about the phases. So we have phase 1 where we analyze, customize AI development. Yes, I analyze your operation challenges with my 30 plus years experience in healthcare. But I don't just stop at recommendations. I design and build operational AI agents specifically for your healthcare business. Now, phase 2, implementation, not just training. I don't just hand you a report and say, here you go, get on with it and leave. I implement. Then we go through your operational AI agents in your business, working directly with you or your team until the systems are running successfully. I'm your transformational part in your business. Phase 3 is about working systems, not strategic documents. You get actual AI agents handling your operations for you. Patient care coordination, service user, clients, compliance monitoring, staff scheduling, not just beautiful PowerPoints explaining what you should do. Phrase 4, healthcare operations AI transformation intensive isn't about learning theory or receiving strategic recommendation. It is about building implementation, actual AI systems into your healthcare operations. This is a hands-on implementation work. We will build for you with your team to build operational AI agents together and deploy them into your business. Now, the healthcare operations I've transformed are seeing 60% reduction in operational overall. That's like 50 to 70% reduction in administration processing time. Wow, that's remarkable. And staff who are engaged with direct patient care. Most importantly, these business owners are running healthcare businesses, operations that are truly scalable, growing patient capacity while reducing operational complexity. I've seen that happen. So the partnership that I'm offering you is I want you to book a free session with us, because running a sustainable healthcare operations with complex operational challenges, I want to offer you something that reflects the serious nature of what you need in your business. So I'm providing you with a complimentary 30-minute healthcare operations AI transformation strategy session with me. Two qualified healthcare business owners like you who are ready to explore operational transformation. So the link is here, and during this session we'll analyze your current operations challenges, for example, staff deployment with my 30 years experience in healthcare, identify which custom operational AI agents would deliver immediate return on investment for you, show you exactly how to reduce operational costs by 30 to 50% through implementation, not just recommendation. And I will provide you with a working implementation roadmap with actual AI systems, not strategic documents. I'll be able to demonstrate the difference between consulting reports and operational transformation. I'll be working with you and your team to ensure that this happens. So if you are running a 50 to 400 plus staff and feeling trapped by operational complexity, if you're tired of consultants who analyze your problems but can't solve them, it's like you go to the psychiatrist, for example, you're laying on the couch and they're just analyzing. But I want to show you something that actually works. Instead of strategic recommendations, this strategy session is designed for you. And I've been exactly where you are today. I've been there. I've hired big consulting firms. I've had big teams in my office. I've had teams remotely, large teams remotely. I've had a COO, a CFO, a project manager assistant, contracts writer, bid writer. Let me tell you, we've got some AI agents that can look for big tenders and also help you to write them. Once we've implemented these AI agents into your healthcare business, that is a perfect solution for you right now. So I have a limited spot of 15 healthcare business owners this month, because each requires significant preparation and analysis of your specific operations and challenges. So for years, I've been about sharing healthcare leadership insights and working harder, not smarter. That's what I've been sharing with you. But you needed to implement it. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and AI is the way forward. And today, I want that to become your powerful tool. I'm not just teaching you healthcare business operations. I'm teaching you about transformation in your business. I'm not just talking about AI possibilities. I'm building AI agents that run actual healthcare businesses, including my own coaching business, which we cover UK, USA, and Cyprus. We're worldwide. I'm able to live freedom that I dreamed of from when I was 15 years old. That was my millionaire status, was freedom. Right now, as I record this from Cyprus, the place I couldn't break free to live. For 15 years, I was planning, I wanted to live in Cyprus. It took me 15 years. Just like I said at 15 years I was going to be a millionaire. It took me 15 years to move to Cyprus. AI agents are managing operations across these countries for me, whilst I am a small remote team focusing on high value work. No crisis management, no staff going off sick, no 70-hour work weeks, no being trapped in my Norfolk house, beautiful house that I dreamed of from when I was 15 years old. No being trapped in a big office building with 3 floors and you've got your office team on permanent wages, for example. You're trapped. They own you. So I achieved my 15-year-old promise to be